Welcome students. In this class we will learn how to use the subtags. So as usual we start off by writing the doc type HTML followed by HTML language is equal to English, and then we place the head tag, and below the head tag we specify the meta char set equal to UTF-8, and then close the tag, and then we place the title for the page. So in this case is going to be an example to demonstrate the SUP tag, which is otherwise called as the superscript. So we are going to use an example in mathematics, and we are going to start the body tag. In the body tag, just for the sake of consistency, I'm going to place a heading as important mathematical formulae, and we are going to have a list of formulae that are necessary. So the first formula that I would like to consider here is going to be a positive b, or a plus b raised to the power 2, which we know to be equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So I'm trying to represent that over here. So I'm placing a followed by a space, and then I would place the positive sign there. And then after the positive sign I have to place another space, so I would copy that space tag and then follow it up by placing b, and then I close the parenthesis, and then I'll place the 2 there because it's going to be a positive b raised to the power 2. So that's going to be equal to a squared, a space and a positive sign, and b squared. Of course I need to place a the space tag there so that it can be little bit neat to see. So that has to be followed by a space and then 2ab. So this is exactly what we've got. So we will save it, and then we will go to the browser to see how exactly it looks. So I want to give some ordering, so let me just place a center tag so that the formula becomes more viewably acceptable. So I cover it, in fact I close this other center tag, and then I want to give 2 break statements so that the formula appears exactly the center of the screen so viewers can see it. So I go back, and now this is how the formula is appearing. So it says a positive b parenthesis and 2 appears there, but that is not the exact formula we want. So in order to get the exact formula, I'm going to place the subtag SUP, and between the 2 subtags I would infuse the 2 there. And on the right hand side I'll remove the 2 and I'll place the subtag, and I'll place the 2 inside the 2 subtags, and the same thing I will do for b2 also, so it can be read as b squared. So after completing it I will save it, and I'll go back to the browser to see how the formula looks, and clearly when I refresh it I get a positive b raised to the power 2 is equal to a squared positive b squared positive 2ab, which is the required formula. Of course a space is needed after equal to sign, so I just want to place that NBSP before the equal to sign, in fact after the equal to sign, and then I refresh it and I get the formula that I need. So the appearance is acceptable and it looks good.